Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines. Today, we will be looking at the COSTWAY portable washing machine, which boasts a larger capacity and twin tub design, and the Grinchat portable washing machine, known for its compact and foldable features. Let's dive into the details and see which one is the better choice for your laundry needs. When it comes to capacity, the COSTWAY portable washing machine offers a total capacity of 18 pounds, with 11 pounds for washing and 7 pounds for spinning. In contrast, the Grinchat portable washing machine has a capacity of 15 Ls, making it suitable for smaller loads. If you frequently do larger laundry loads, the COSTWAY might be the better option for you. The design of these two machines differs significantly. The COSTWAY features a twin tub design which allows for separate washing and spinning, making it more efficient for larger loads. On the other hand, the Grinchat is a foldable, single tub machine that is ideal for small spaces and easy storage, perfect for those who prioritize portability. In terms of weight and size, the COSTWAY portable washing machine is heavier at 29 pounds, making it less portable compared to the Grinchat, which weighs only 3.5 pounds. The Grinchat's compact design allows it to be easily stored and transported, making it ideal for those who need a washing machine that can be moved around frequently. In conclusion, both the COSTWAY and Grinchat portable washing machines have their unique advantages. The COSTWAY is perfect for larger laundry needs with its higher capacity and twin tub design, while the Grinchat excels in portability and compactness. Depending on your specific needs, you can choose the one that fits your lifestyle best. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.